How to use Skyscanner for cheap flights. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Skyscanner for cheap flights. In order to use Skyscanner for cheap flights, first of all, what you need to do is open up your Skyscanner application and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, first of all, you need to start by booking a flight. So for that, tap on flights from the top left hand side corner. Select the type of trip that you're doing, and underneath you need to select your departure. So for that, select where you're from, and you need to select where you're heading to or your destination. Once done, select the number of passengers that you have and select the class as well. If you want a cheap flight, you should definitely go with the economic one and click on the done button. After that, tap on the search icon located right at the bottom. Now you'll be able to see list of flight sets available, and accordingly you also have the date and time. As you can see, there is the multiple tabs right on top. You can also see best, cheapest, fastest, direct. So if you want to go with the cheapest, then make sure to tap on cheapest, and after that it's going to show you a list of flights that's actually cheap, and select the date accordingly. Next page, it's going to ask you to select a provider. So right at the bottom, click on choose a provider. Here you need to compare each one of it and select which one actually has lesser price and click on the select button. So that's basically how you can select the cheap flight. Now you need to book a flight. So for that, you need to go through the procedure of providing your contact details, your luggage details, and all that. You'll need to provide in your card details. Once done with the payment method, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that you've successfully booked a flight, and that's basically how you can use Skyscanner for cheap flights. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.